Good day, sir. So, my name is Jamaica Mangit. So, today, I would like to share the real life communication challenge that I experienced in school and how I later realized it would have been handled better. The situation happened during the group project. Our group was assigned to create a representation, but from the beginning, we were struggled to agree on our rules. One member wanted to take the lead, other want to work alone, and the rest of us were unsure about what we were supposed to do. Because of this, our work became confusing and stressful. We end up rushing the project at the last minute, and the result was not as good as it would been. Looking back, I realized that several communication barriers were present. First, there was a lack of clarity. Since no one clearly explained the goals or divided the tasks. Second, there was a assumption, because each of us thought the other already understood what to do. The third, there were emotional barrier. Since since a classmate are felt unheard or ignored, which made them which made the discussion less productive. Lastly, there was a poor listening, because we talk over each other instead of listening. So, if uh, if we have used better communication strategy back then, the situation could have been completely different. For example, we should have started with a short meeting to to clearly define our goals and assign roles based on each person's strength or ability. Using active listening, such as letting one person talk at a time and acknowledge their ideas, would have been made everyone feel included and unheard. We also have asked clarity questions to avoid consumption and misunderstanding. And finally, showing openness and respect would have reduced the emotional tension in the group. So, from this experience, I learned that effective communication is not just about talking, it's about listening, understanding, and working together. With clear message, better teamwork, and more empathy, our group have been performed. So our group could have performed much better. So thank you for listening. I hope that you can learn to my experience, um, and that's all. Thank you for listening, everyone, and good day, sir.